So the next topic we're going to look at is indices or powers, and we're going to look at how do I enter indices, what about fractional indices, and what about negative indices. So we've got three examples here and our calculator. So the key buttons when we've got indices are x squared, which is given to us, x cubed, which is also given to us, and then we have this x with a box. This is what we use for all powers that aren't 2 or 3. So if I look at the first question, I've got to evaluate 8 to the power 4. So I simply type in 8 and then the power button, and it gives me an open box. I simply put 4 in and then press equals. So my answer to the first question would be 4096. So taking it on a step, the next question's a little bit harder. We have a fractional button. So just clear my calculator. So 216. Now, because it's a fraction, we still do the same. But as we entered fractions before, we go back to our fraction button, press that. You can see it opens up exactly like we need it to in the question. So we simply enter 2, pull down 3, equals again, and it tells us that our answer is 36. And then finally, for evaluating 5 to the power of minus 3, exactly the same. 5, power button, this time it's minus 3. Now people would be tempted to use this minus. When you're putting in negative numbers, you should always try and use this one here. Okay, so minus 3 looks exactly like the question, equals, so our answer is 1 over 125. If I wanted that as a decimal, again we go back to our SD button, and it gives us 8 times 10 to the minus 3.